Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out that update. So to check the update, you will have to go into your settings and from there you have to scroll down and now you have to tap on About Phone. Now after tapping on About Phone, you will have to tap on this software information. Now from here you will get to see a option of Google Play System Update, and as you can see it is on the January 1st 2025. So now there's a new update available of 49 MBs in size with the latest security update from the Google, and it is to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. First of all, you will have to download this update, then you have to install this update. So you just have to tap on download and install and it will start the download process. Now depending on the internet speed, it will download the update and the update is 49 MBs in size. And once the update is downloaded, you will get to see an option like this, restart to update, but make sure to restart when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. To install it, you just have to tap on restart now and the installation process will begin. Keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. And that's it, the Google Play System Update is now installed on your device, and as you can see, your device is now up to date with the latest Google Play System Update of February 1st 2025. You can also check for the new update by simply tapping over here. Now let's talk about the OneUi 7 update. So finally we have news from the Samsung that the OneUi 7 update will be now available in the month of April. From the Samsung newsroom, it is confirmed that the OneUi 7 update will be available in the month of April. Also from Google's and other rumors, it is expected that the OneUi 7 update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available by April 18. The date is not confirmed yet, but the month is now confirmed that the April will be a month in which the OneUi 7 update will be released officially. Until that, you can install the beta version on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update that was available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys can check out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates and the OneUi 7 updates.